Hello, I'm Peter from A-Z Pro Carpentry. I want to show you some lighting solution what we had and did in our home kitchen renovation. That's the old fashioned light. That's installed between the rafter. You have the nail clips, you nail it on the rafters, and they are getting hot. You have some problems always with the pulley, with air coming in there later on. Some insulation have to build up, and also you have rafter here. You cannot go always a certain amount in the place. Here, that's the new kind of lighting. It's in the drywall installed. It's absolutely easy. You can install them where you want, wherever you want. That's a transformer, 110 volt. It's only just to cut the drywall 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch and clips it in and sit on top of the drywall. And it's a nice warm light, and you can touch him anytime. This guy getting hot. I will show you how this looks when you light up. Nice and bright. And you can touch him anytime without any problem. It's LED, only 3 watt. Also at 8 watt. Under the undercount light have 3 watt. Switch it off. I also want to show you the rope lighting around the island. What we have. There's under rope lighting. And you install here in the kitchen then this LED. It's the LEDs in the cabinet. Switch it off. That off. And we have outside lighting installed, also LED. And then we have the ceiling light, rope light. You can change the color on those ones. We had before a closed ceiling, now we have a vaulted ceiling. I installed 3 skylights in here. Now you can change every color you want, and the kids love it when it's going like sometimes crazy like this, but that's not my way. Yeah, you know how this looks like when you have everything on here. So I hope this was a little bit of information and this was helpful. Yeah, when you have some more questions, please call Peter. It's 604-356-6080 from A-Z Pro Carpentry. Thanks.